everyone in South America. Heads up that every last one of us needs to be petrified, and this is the only chance we have left. We're destroying humanity, and then we're gonna save it.